So a quick video here on how I sow my tomatoes. This is gonna be real quick because it's not really rocket science, and again, you can complicate it as much as you want, but some things are basically simple. Now my soil is way too dry, so I'll start by watering it. There you go. And now I'm gonna let that sit for a few minutes. I'm gonna go make a coffee and come back. Well, I got my coffee and I've made a nice little sludge in the bottom of the hole there. The fact that it's wet is gonna help these little roots, I guess, go better in the soil. Now what I like to do, I like to bury my tomatoes deeper than they are actually right now. I'm gonna bury it at least there. And what happens with tomato, with the stem, it'll start sprouting roots eventually. There you go. And there you go. Yeah, that's gonna be extra compost with it. I could also have left those two first suckers, but there'll be some more. A lot of people have I don't know, their opinion on suckers, like they drain all the energy of the plant and such. To me, suckers means more plants, because they will like become I guess new tomato producing stems, and you gotta I guess freestyle it. You go with how much time you have to grow tomatoes and such. And also it depends, if you want big steak tomatoes, then probably more stems means less energy into your tomatoes. But as far as I'm concerned, in the greenhouse with cherry tomatoes, more stems means more tomatoes. So anyway, that's it. I've put some compost around it. I'm gonna water it some more, and then I'm gonna add some more soil, and yeah, it's gonna be happy living there for a little while, unless the cold nights kill it, because I'm doing a test right now. I'm testing them out to see if the cold weather is gonna kill it. Yeah, I only need 3 plants, and I got 6, so the others will go into the house, and I guess we'll see what happens. That's more compost. There you go. So stem of something that looked like a squash stem, wasn't composted completely. Oh, there you go. And there we go. It's gonna be happy right there. And like I said, in the greenhouse, my things go crazy big, so I'm doing 1 plant per big pot like that, because anyway, it's just gonna overshadow everything else eventually. So in the meantime, I grow romaine here and there. And yeah, that's how I plant my tomatoes. It's real simple. You don't need to complicate everything. So see you guys.